What's up, guys? Just want to do a really quick video on the 2024 Yamaha Tenere 700. Show you the new graphics kit that finally came in. In my opinion, looks awesome. Very happy with the way it came out. In the video, it looks a little lighter than it really is. I would say it's just a tad shade darker than what's probably showing in the video. That's kind of the issue with the first graphics kit I had. I put it on in the house as I did this one, and it looked awesome in the light under the the LED lights inside the house. I was really happy with the way it turned out. I did a video or short or whatever it was on that, and I got it out in the daytime. And I'm not even kidding, it was a completely different color. And I'm talking like moss green. It was gross. Very, very difficult to tell online. It's really super hard to pick out like green colors online. Very deceiving. So I was not happy with it at all. This bike is a few months old now. I think I only have 200 miles on it. I was so disgusted with how the graphics kit came out in the first one. I just stopped riding. I was so pissed. I was so happy when I put the graphics kit on, and then I took it outside. I was like, what the hell is this? And it was gross. Even my wife was like, ew, it's like algae or moss green or something. It was incredible. It's all the pictures, all the videos that I did online, you could not tell. You absolutely could not tell. In the house, I could not get the green to show up at all, no matter what lighting. I even brought outside lights in to, just to get better pictures, and it just looked awesome. Then I took it outside, and I was like, what is going on? It was super gross. Some people, with the shades of gray and green, they can look very similar. Like this is the 2024, I can't remember what it's called, shadow gray or gray, whatever it is. And some people say, oh, it looks green. So there's this very weird, thing with gray and green. This is definitely gray this time. The guy really worked with me on the colors to make sure that this time around that I got what I really wanted. So I'm very, very happy with it now. Doesn't matter if the light's on inside or the sun outside. It looks great. It actually looks great this time. It looks really good in person. Took it to the gym today, and a couple guys were taking pictures of it, and a couple people asked me about it. So I'm really digging the way that it turned out. So it looks good. Even the wife definitely approves much more this time about how much better it looks. So... And I don't know, the first one took me I felt like a few hours, maybe 2 hours. I swear I think I put this one on in 45 minutes. And maybe it's because I just did one a month ago. It took about a month for this to get here. Heck of a lot easier tearing them off than it is putting them on, but this one went on this one went on much easier than the first one. Two different companies. Anyways, these guys did my my first graphics kit. So, but anyways, looks good. I really love it. Like I said, I stopped riding it because I was so pissed. Seems sounds so stupid, but I didn't like it. I was gross. I hated the way it looked. So I didn't want to ride it, and I didn't ride it, and now I got this on, and oh gosh, yesterday I think I put it on. So first thing today, I took it to the gym. Yes, I know my KYB is upside down, or how some people would say that right fork is upside down. I have more KYB stickers to change it, but I don't know, kind of digging the way it looks, but I may change it. I guess it doesn't really matter that much, but whatever. Anyways, really happy with it. I mean, zero bubbles this time around. It just, I don't know, maybe it's because all my experience with putting graphics kits on now. I just did the CRF. I did this one twice. Maybe that's why it went on so easy. I swear it was like 40, 45 minutes. So my wife was like, wow, you're in and out of the house with it, because it's too hot in the garage to be putting this stuff on. It's like 100 degrees out. So I just bring everything inside and do it inside. Me and my daughter and I picked up 2 Surons the other day, which is awesome. She's been wanting to ride. And, you know, I can't really follow around on the dirt bike or the Tenere or anything, so I just went and got one. She paid for most of it, but I told her I'd help her out. And I don't think we've had them for a week. She's got 150 miles on hers already, which is incredible for not being street legal. I have 200 miles on this, and I've had it for 3 months. So she is like doing some serious riding on that thing already. I have bought her some upgrades for it, pegs and sprocket and, you know, some other cool stuff for it. But anyways, we've been having a blast on those, riding those around. All right, guys, just a quick update. There it is. Really, really happy with the way it came out. This is the way I, you know, thought it would look to begin with. But it did not. So went with my original company. They're, you know, they're really good. So, all right, guys, see ya.